surprise. The hatred
You can't even help yourself. So maybe this is just who I am now. Maybe figure out your own problems.
He lacked the words to let me know. Just need time. Snapping 1, 2. Where are you? You're still in my heart. Snapping 3, 4. Don't need you here anymore. Get out of my heart. 'Cause I might snap.
Upon her daffodils, more tears. Let me in, please, it's cold, I'm freezing out here. I miss you, my dear. You're all his, and I'm all yours, like it or not. I'm all you've got. Everyone will make mistakes. Without the sour, the sweet wouldn't taste. Sweet tangerine, will you please come back to me? 'Cause I don't think that these feelings are gonna leave.
I don't care what you say.
I wanted to ask if you maybe figured out anything about your curse. Like, did you do something? My sculk is spreading and I don't know how to make it stop, but I thought you could fix it. You were supposed to figure out your curse, but is there anything that I could do? No, I don't need your help. You can't even help yourself. What I have isn't a curse. It's a result of my own actions, and I accepted something in my heart. You can't help me. Maybe figure out your own problems. I thought you could fix it. You were supposed to figure out your curse, but
Is there anything that I could do? I could try.
no, I don't need your help. You can't even help yourself. What I have isn't a curse. It's a result of my own actions, and I accepted something in my heart, and it changed it. So maybe this is just who I am now. You can't help me. Maybe figure out your own problems.